God, he's going for the vinegar. Oh, he hated it. I got radishes soaking in vinegar. He shook his head. And then I got some dehydrated egg there and some chorizo and some turkey and lobster. Let's see if he likes egg. He doesn't mind egg. Dehydrated egg yolk, Bobby. Now he's going for the chorizo. No, he's going for the lobster. He's going for the lobster pate. I've seen him eat sardines and chicken before. They're not supposed to. And there's turkey right next there. I'm putting in the sandwich. He likes the lobster. Well, yellow-sided pineapple conures from Bolivia, South America. I guess they like lobster. He loves orange juice, but he doesn't eat oranges. I want to see if he's going to go for this banana. A bird from South America should like banana. He's never had a banana before. Let's see. And he loves apples, as long as you don't cut them open. They have to be completely whole apples. And he only likes McIntosh. That's the only apple he likes. Sometimes ambrosia. Oh, is he going after the banana? Oh, he found the salt. There he goes. He's licking the salt. I've known people that lick salt blocks. Weird, eh? He doesn't like the vinegar. So, yeah, I just have to keep him away from this avocado or he will die if he eats the avocado. And I've just grated some cheese for my grilled cheese. Gonna make some eggnog and... Do you want to have another bath? Go have another bath with your onion rings. It's a little warm. Yeah, play with the onion rings. Here you go. Whee! Here, have a necklace. No, he won't let me. No, I wouldn't do that. And then we got papaya as dragon fruit here. Try some dragon fruit. No? Okay. Well, hey, let's see if he likes seafood medley. Let's see if he likes, Italian blend. Vegetables. Let's see if he likes broccoli or any of this. I got Chinese 5-spice blend there. Don't know where I got that from. Okay, you got carrots. You got everything in there, Bobby. Here. Yes, you're a funny bird. I didn't know you were flying again. Have something. Try something. I can add salt if you want. Yeah, just like some days the fish aren't biting, the bird isn't biting right now. Come here. Come on. Oh, he's being temperamental now. Jeez, I almost lost him behind the shower curtain yesterday. I didn't know where he was. He was giving me the silent treatment. He was in between the two shower curtains yesterday. I'm like, where are you? And he wasn't chirping or nothing. He's pretty smart. He didn't make a noise. There he was hiding in between the two shower curtains. Right? All right, come on. Come on. There you go. All right. I'm going to put you back for now because I got things to accomplish. Everybody's busy. Everybody's busy. All right. I got him here in the bathroom for now because if I'm reading a book in the bath, then at least we can chat. We're good friends. You just turned 9 years old. 18 in human years. You're going through puberty. Yeah. And I got all my dolphins set up here. And my 2000 piece fish puzzle. This is where he was hiding yesterday. He was right here, right in the middle of my fish curtain and this curtain. Pretty smart. Escape from Alcatraz.